Dorothy here. Today I'm going to show you how to make one of our favorite cookies. It's a basic, classic peanut butter cookie. This is one of our absolute favorite recipes. I've been making it for years, and it's one of my husband's favorites. And when I say that, it means something because he doesn't eat hardly any of the desserts that I make, but he will always eat a peanut butter cookie. These cookies are simple and fast. There's no chill time, which makes it super easy because you can just mix them, scoop them, and bake them, and you have cookies in no time. Not only am I going to show you today how to make one peanut butter cookie recipe, I'm going to show you how to make two. I'm going to turn my classic peanut butter cookie into a blossom cookie. Now, do you guys know blossom cookies? These are like an old school Christmas cookie, right? It's a peanut butter cookie with a Hershey's Kiss stuffed inside. I've been making these for years, and it's about time that I showed you how to make them too. First thing you do to make my favorite peanut butter cookies is add butter and peanut butter to your mixing bowl. Now, my favorite kitchen utensil is this sticky measuring cup by OXO, and it's so easy. You just fill it with peanut butter or honey or whatever it is and pop it right out. No messy cleanup. It's amazing. Next, we're gonna add the sugars. We're gonna use brown sugar and granulated sugar. And then we're gonna cream this mixture together. Then I'm gonna add the egg, the vanilla, the milk, the baking soda, and the salt. Stir that together. And then we're gonna add the flour. Now be sure to scrape the bottom of the mixer with a spatula just to make sure that nothing collects down there. Now that the peanut butter cookie mixture is all mixed, now is where the fun begins. There's so many ways you can dress up this peanut butter cookie recipe. You can make them just a plain old peanut butter cookie like we love to make, but you can also add M&Ms or chocolate chips or butterscotch chips or chopped nuts. Make a cookie cake out of it, or you can make them into blossom cookies like we're gonna do today. So many options, one cookie dough recipe. To make our cookies, we're going to use a cookie scoop. Now, I love cookie scoops. This is a 2 tablespoon cookie scoop. It's the one that I use most often. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna scoop out our cookies and put them on the cookie sheet. Now, to give this peanut butter cookie its classic peanut butter cookie look, we need to give it the crisscross marks with a fork. Now, that's how we make our classic peanut butter cookies. To turn these into blossom cookies, instead of using the 2 tablespoon cookie scoop, I'm gonna use a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop. The 1 tablespoon cookie scoop is perfect for when you're pressing a Hershey's Kiss on top. When we're making the blossom cookies, I am gonna roll them in sugar because that's a traditional way of doing it. And then place it on your cookie sheet. And we're gonna bake those at 350 degrees for about 8 to 12 minutes. So funny, I got this comment like one of my first years of vlogging after I'd made a blossom cookie, and they asked, why do you have to unwrap the Hershey's Kiss? And it was just, it's one of those comments I come back to all the time because it's hilarious, because obviously you're gonna wanna unwrap the Hershey's Kiss because there's foil on it. You don't wanna eat foil, right? So while the cookies are baking in the oven, I'm gonna unwrap my Hershey's Kisses, because as soon as they come out of the oven and the cookies are hot, we're gonna press a kiss onto each one of those cookies. Just do it right in the center and press it down. It makes it like a blossom. So what's gonna happen is after we've pressed those kisses in, the heat of the cookie is gonna melt the Hershey's Kiss. And then as the cookies cool, they'll harden back up again. It's kind of neat that they melt all the way, but they don't collapse. It's kind of crazy to me, but it works, and it makes the Hershey's Kiss a little bit softer when you're eating it in the cookie. Now, one note, if you're using a Hershey's Kiss like that has caramel inside or one of those other flavor Hershey's Kisses, those are a little bit more fragile, so make sure you don't touch the pan once you've put the Hershey's Kiss on it. Cookies are done, and now it's time to eat them. I love a peanut butter cookie. It's soft and chewy, that peanut butter flavor, so delicious. They're amazing plain. They're so good as a blossom cookie. They're just one of my favorite cookies, I swear. Do me a favor in the comments below and let me know what kind of peanut butter cookie you would make. I'm gonna go take a plate of these to my husband while you watch the next video.